Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is your first time, you are highly welcome. I'm Nancy, back with another video. I'm here to show you guys the hairstyle that you choose for your Xmas and New Year. So many people will be thinking, which kind of hairstyle will I make, which kind of hairstyle will I do, how will I buy, weave on, attach, how much they are selling it, so many things. The main thing is to go to the right salon that will make your hair and very nice. So I'm here to show you guys the hairstyle, different hairstyle that you do on your hair and makeup. So I hope you guys will choose the right one. Thank you for watching. Continue watching, subscribe and hit the bell and subscribe. Wow, see this wonderful made design of it. Now person play this, I see this ginger so much, and this style, like I love this style of design, and I hope this one will last. At least if you do it this December, you are going to carry it in New Year. And this one, you can carry this one like 2 ways. Maybe you can do it on 24th against December and New Year. This one is nice, it's very sweet. And see this Ghana weaving, oh my god, you guys will love this Ghana weaving. I really love this Ghana weaving. See, oh my god, see this beautiful queen and the makeup, everything. So watch this video, subscribe, don't forget to subscribe to Nancy, subscribe, hit the bell, because this December I'm going to show you guys different hairstyle that you are going to make on your Xmas. Don't overthink which kind of hairstyle will I made. Just follow me on my YouTube channel, you are going to be seeing it bumper to bumper. And from this hairstyle, I know that next day I'm going to change the content of my YouTube, everything about my channel. I'm going to change it with my handwork. At least doing this my NYC. I've learned so many things, both makeup, gele. So I'm going to show you guys different style of hairstyle, different style of makeup in my shop. So thank you guys for your support. Watch this video to the end, subscribe, follow me, give me a comment, and I'll reply you immediately. Thank you for watching. Continue watching this video, you are going to enjoy it. Like, you are going to really enjoy it, because the hairstyle is very beautiful. Even me, I'm so confused, which kind of hair will I make, which kind of hair will I choose. Like, I don't even know what to choose with, if it's weave on or I should place Ghana weaving. I don't even know. I love these styles, oh my god. So subscribe, follow me bomba to bomba, follow both my Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and WhatsApp. If you have any question to ask me, just comment on my comment section, and follow me on my description. I'm going to drop my Facebook name, my Instagram name. Follow me there. I hope you guys really enjoy this wonderful hairstyle that I show you guys. So thank you for watching. Let's continue watching. Oh my god, see this Ghana weaving with a guagara where they put inside. Oh my god, Nigeria, they give style, sha. People will not get the Nigeria. I beg, use your eyes and see. If you are from foreign, you can go to all this salon, big salon, they can do this style. Any country, I hope this design will be good. So continue watching.